welcome to the shop. This is Scott with another Turn Woodworks, and welcome to Sawdust Sunday. This week, I got asked by a customer to make some bookshelves and that. So I made some magazine-style bookshelves. It was really cool. And this is what I like about doing woodwork and being a small shop like me, is we can customize it. The customer asked if maybe there could be some wordings added to the design. And these are very simple. I made these pretty much by hand. The only thing that I did on my little CNC, my X-Carve, was put this writing in, and I think it turned out absolutely awesome. So I went ahead and put one coat of varnish on this, or polyurethane, and then my wife, she's a lot better than me doing the fine detail stuff, filled in with a gold paint in that, and now I'm going to cover it again. I assembled it, and so it's going to be nice and soft. It's going to be around 600 grit. I might even put on some furniture polish just to make it soft and bring out the luster of especially this maple. So super cool. And the cool thing about this is I had to include my magazines in that, because that, so you know what this is. Otherwise you might not know what this is. This turned out amazing, and I'm super proud of this one because the grain matches this, if you look, and the book's gonna be right there. So yeah, it's really cool, and it's super fun to do this stuff like this. And this was very simple. While the letters were carving, I was making the sides, and that by hand. That's super fun. So if you guys like this stuff and want to see more of it, and want to see how other simple projects are made, let me know in the comments, and just have a great day, and happy Thanksgiving to everybody.